Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a review of the Aironox ironing device. So the Aironox ironing device has been trending in 2025 as a revolutionary way to make ironing fast and easier, but is it really worth it or just another gimmick? The device promises to remove wrinkles in seconds with minimal effort, almost like a portable steamer and even combined. On the plus side, it is lightweight, heats up quickly, and works decently on thin fabrics like shirts and dresses. However, reviews reveal it struggles with thicker clothes like jeans or jackets, and many or users report it doesn't deliver the crisp, pressed look of a traditional iron. The build also feels like a bit cheap for its price, raising durability concerns. So is Aironox a scam? Not exactly. It works, but it's far from a miracle gadget. If you need a quick touch up, it might be handy, but for serious ironing, a good steam iron still beats it. Verdict for this is that it is legit but overhyped.